Okay, we have three kind of media: videos, images, and audio. If you drag and drop it in a timeline, and if you select it, we have some properties. If you select it, first thing first, that you can change the dimension. You can see Ctrl Z. If you select them, here is the property. If it's closed, you can open it. This is the properties. See, yeah, this is the properties part of any selected in a scene. Okay, for example, effects, everything. The properties are here. If we select the video, we have first two tabs: audio and video. You can change the scale of that. You can see. You can change the scale of that uniformly. If you change the settings, you can click on this icon and restore it. You can change opacity of that. Opacity means this. For example, we have an image that is below of that video. Because it's above that, we cannot see that. But if you increase opacity of that video, we can see the image below through that. So it's an effect that you want to use 100%. This is an rotation. For rotated that, you can go on this at the center. For moving that, go in here and move that. From here, you can change the width and height. Here, you can see, you can change the position, scale, opacity, rotation, and position of that. You can see this is a position. If you want to reposition it, you can make it 0, 0, going at the center here, the position. Here, you can change the width and height. You can see, you can change width and height. You can skew that, something like this, and restore it again. Or you can restore the position, everything that you want. Okay. If you want to restore everything, you select on this. Okay, we can move it. For rotate it, you can go here and rotate it in any degree that you want. So it's rotation just in the Z axis. You can restore it. But if you click on this, you can rotate. Interesting in some other axis and creating perspective and 3D things. Rotate in the X, you can see. And we can animate all of them. So these are properties of video. A video has an audio on them. Then we have an audio tab here. You can change the gain, mix it to mono. And if you auto normalize loudness, I will show you later, but it's very easy. If you record a video at a loud, a lower value, it's normalize them at the same. If you select image, here, we have just exactly like the video. You can change the scale of that. You can change opacity, rotation, position, width, and height. This lock means you can change the size of image proportionally. But if you don't want to use that, you can. It's locked. It's unlocked. You can set at any number. Okay. And that's it. In the audio files, just we have an audio. You can edit it in Audio 8. Audio 8 is just for narration. It's create your narration to the text, and you can edit by text. The Audio 8, I will be explaining it later after the Camtasia. It's simply you can, but it's a separate software. Just you can change the gain. You can see here more value of the sound or lower. Can mono mix to mono. It means it's just in a mono. It doesn't have left or right, but don't take that. Okay, this is properties of the medias. It's very easy.